Fociño do sátiro e pé de coello. Pecadora lingua de mala muller casada cun home bello. Averno de Satán e Belcebú.
He's burning it down with sugar, lemon peel, orange peel, and coffee. And you have to let it burn for a while.
And you see the sugar and the orange and all that, it's all going to caramelize.
It's like a mulled wine.
Can we try it? Yeah?
Yeah, you're done. That's, yeah.
Oh, this is lovely. It smells of orange.
Go for it.
Go on.
Don't pretend.
Okay.
That stuff? No, honestly, unless I was stripping the paint from the living room, that was rancid. I'll put a spell on you.
Delia Smith. Angela Lawson. Anthony Ward Thompson.
Right, just give a little bit of Vidigo.
You idiots! They were doing like a voodoo thing. The only thing I knew, my beaver go on fire. Don't worry about Daddy.
You have to blow it after you drink.
Not the beaver, the
thing.
donut.
Why would you want to blow my beaver?
Being in a Celtic bar is boisterous enough. Being in a Celtic bar smelling singed beaver, not good.
This is a second-degree burn. Why you got sunglasses, Gino? The sun is not even shining, Gino.
But last night we went for it. I'm not taking the sunglasses off.
While Gino was praying to be hangover-free this morning, I was hoping for an RV. And thankfully, I got my wish. It's back. I made a call to a friend. So we can finally take in the sights of Santiago de Compostela.
Look how pretty it is.
Beautiful.
You know, it's very medieval, isn't it?
It's very what?
Medieval.
Medieval!
The cathedral is one of the city's most iconic buildings and also the final stop for the 350,000 who visit every year, walking the Camino de Santiago trail. Look at this.
Just take it in, man.
Take it where?
Take it in.
Where?
Take it in.
Inside my head.
But we're not just here to sightsee. We're here to gather ingredients for our final Spanish feast to celebrate the end of our trip. And for a chef, the best place to worship is Mercado de Abastos, a huge 150-year-old fresh food market and the second most visited attraction after the cathedral. You ready?
So you're gonna park
You can't
the
park
RV
here.
in the middle of the piazza?
Yes! Yes!
Oh, you can't do that, Gordon. We're going to get a ticket.
Why do you need a handbag to go to a market?
Every man needs a handbag. Don't you just love the smell and the noise of a market, right?
There's so much inspiration here.
Buongiorno.
Look at that handshake. Oh, my Lord. With almost 70 vendors selling some of the freshest, most unique produce northern Spain has to offer. It's alive with activity and a reminder of why I fell in love with this country in the first place. So here I want to get a delicacy that I don't think any of you have tasted before.
What is that?
Sea barnacles. But they look prehistoric. They look like claws.
I know one thing about Pesebes. They got the biggest willy in the animal kingdom.
Oh, la, 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 la.
50 times the size of the animal.
Where is the wheel?
Well, it's inside.
1 kilo.
Un kilo,
See?
kilo.
And some octopus.
Some octopus, yeah.
Gracias, madam. They're super expensive, by the way. 70 euros.
70?
Yes.
For 1 kilo there?
It's a delicacy. But
It doesn't look it, does it? Look
they
at that.
are incredible. Gracias. Thank you for that.
70 euro for a mouthful of willy.
Hey, good morning.
This is... Hello. ¿Cómo está? È bello.
It's cow's milk.
It's cow's milk. The difference between these two is that this one is raw milk, so it's softer.
Yeah.
And the other one is ecological. It's the most sold Galician cheese in Spain.
What is the name of the cheese?
We name it tetilla,
Tetilla.
breast or nipple, because of the shape. Yeah, you see.
Can I?
Yes.
This is the right size.
Hey, we're in a marketplace.
Embrace the tetilla.
Yeah, embrace the local traditions.
Now you're going to compare it to an Italian titty cheese.